Ripple's case is ongoing, but positive news about Ripple continues to flow each and every week. Who is Ripple's newest partner? And how might a Twitter hashtag aid in Ripple's expansion? Keep watching until the video's conclusion to discover out. Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap & Co., then this website is perfect for you. It offers you the chance to deposit your cryptos, like XRP, to the site in order to add liquidity to those exchanges. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. It will then show you the address. Simply transfer your XRP or any other currency to this address and mark I've paid. Now, you've got your money on the site. Now, go to Open Staking and enter as much of your crypto as you want. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours. Usually around 0.1-0.2%. That's 2% in a single week. Think about it long term. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk. So, the site is partnering with the Japanese crypto exchange, TotoX.com, which offers a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. You're still not convinced? Then you'll be surprised to hear that it has already gained a lot of institutional investors like Panther Capital, Fimbushi Capital, and Arrington XRP Capital, which helped the site receive more than $80.000.000 within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until November 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free. So, I don't know about you, but for me this sounds pretty convincing. But first, we're giving away $25 to one random subscriber at the end of the month to help them get started on their XRP journey. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on XRP. Greetings, XRP Army. The incredible news involving Ripple has no end in sight. Saudi British Bank, SAB, recently announced the successful launch of its instant cross-border transfer service for the United States (US) corridor, which was enabled by the bank's usage of Ripple-powered blockchain payment technology. This service was initially announced during the 5th Future Investment Initiative Institute, which was hosted by the Public Investment Fund (PIF) and held in Riyadh from October 26 to October 28, 2021. The South African Banking Corporation continues to deploy solutions powered by the Ripple blockchain as part of its strategic plan, which is focused on digital transformation and increasing customer experience in line with Vision 2030 and the Financial Sector Development Program. Along with being the first Saudi bank to join RippleNet, SAB is also the first bank in the region to offer near real-time USD settlement services to its corporate clients. SAB is widely regarded as a pioneer in financial technology. Following the successful activation of this technology in early 2019 with the Indian rupee and Sri Lankan rupee, the third solution to be delivered via RippleNet is the solution's extension to cover the US corridor. RippleNet is a global payment network powered by blockchain technology that connects financial institutions. SAB will continue to provide innovative solutions to its clients in a Saudi Arabia that is more globally competitive and inclusive in the future as a result of the country's focus on digitally enabled solutions. Furthermore, what are your thoughts on this announcement? Tell us in the comments section below. SAB has always been in the forefront of adopting cutting-edge technology solutions, providing the greatest banking services and tailoring solutions that save our customers time and effort, said Najm, SAB's Deputy Managing Director of Corporate and Institutional Banking. Additionally, these initiatives assist us in maintaining our leadership position in attaining the bank's clients' objectives and promote SAB's vision to be the kingdom's top worldwide bank. The network currently includes 8 nodes, according to Brooks and Twistle, Managing Director of RippleNet in Asia, the Pacific, the Middle East, and North Africa. Ripple has pioneered the use of blockchain technology to revolutionize cross-border payments during the last few years. We're thrilled to bring this to market in collaboration with SAB and to continue our long-standing relationship for the benefit of regional businesses and consumers alike. Furthermore, what are your thoughts on this announcement? Tell us in the comments section below. Ripple is gaining backing from a large number of large banks and other organizations, including JP Morgan. Additionally, bullishness may be observed on Twitter, which is now the most popular Bitcoin social media network on the internet. The hashtag #RealistXRP has become fashionable on the Coinbase exchange, eliciting a flood of supportive replies on social media. While the XRP relisting hot topic has captivated the XRP army, there isn't much else to be excited about in terms of Ripple on social media platforms right now. As a result, XRP Army members have demonstrated a high level of support for Ripple, proving that, regardless of what occurs, XRP will remain their preferred coin. Additionally, the organization argued that, in addition to Coinbase, other significant cryptocurrency exchanges should reconsider their decision and reintroduce the XRP currency. According to many, Ripple's current bullish outlook is a result of the SEC's continued retreat from its ongoing enforcement action against the cryptocurrency company, which claims the cryptocurrency is an unregistered security. Those who believe the current trend will continue are confident that the exchanges that delisted Ripple will relist XRP on their systems with full support if the current trend continues. Due to the absence of an official court judgment, XRP advocates have renewed their optimism in cryptocurrency exchanges, lifting their prohibition on XRP trading activities. Additionally, including if this occurs, it will help accelerate Ripple's momentum and adoption, allowing the cryptocurrency to achieve its original goal more swiftly. Are you of the opinion that Ripple should be reinstated on Coinbase? If you answered yes, be sure to like this video. Even if it has been a long time, the responses of XRP Twitter users and members of the cryptocurrency community demonstrate that they have not lost their enthusiasm for Ripple and are still closely monitoring the situation. As we all know, non-fungible tokens have ruled the cryptocurrency market this year, and this trend will continue into next year. However, it is critical to keep in mind that non-fungible tokens are a relatively new and experimental notion and should not be taken for granted. Despite the fact that Ethereum has risen to the top of the cryptocurrency business, it faces a slew of formidable opponents. Consider Ripple's recent announcement that it will invest in the NFT marketplace Mintable, enabling the platform to integrate with the XRP ledger (XRPL) and enable producers to sell their NFT securely and efficiently. To further encourage innovation in tokenization, Ripple created a $250 million creators fund in September to support non-fungible tokens, with a particular emphasis on non-fungible tokens. Ripple is in charge of the fund's management. Due to Ripple's recent foray into the non-fungible token space, Cointelegraph spoke with David Schwartz, the company's chief technology officer and co-creator of the XRP ledger, at the recent non-fungible token conference in New York City, to learn more about the company's growing interest in non-fungible tokens. The entire interview may be found here. Additionally, Schwartz covered the growth of central bank digital currencies, sometimes referred to as CBDCs, the rationale for the wrapped XRP, WXRP, coin, and Ripple's long-term intentions for the cryptocurrency. In addition to the announcements listed above, he made the following. We arrived a little late, but not too late. If NFT are successful, we are all still in the early stages. We began by examining how individuals desired to utilize NFT and discovered that many of the difficulties they encountered were attributable to the technology's rudimentary nature. Each company wishing to enter the space required an enormous amount of specialized knowledge, which is not a good way to expand. As a result, we've been concentrating our efforts on developing that tooling. Additionally, money might be a hindrance at times. Additionally, he asserted the following. If you try to do everything, you will never be an expert at anything. The XRP ledger excels in a number of tasks. If one of those items is exactly what you're looking for, that's fantastic. However, if one is not sufficient, you should consider something more general. Additionally, he stated, we've been making a strong case for CBDCs. What's fascinating is that there are still a lot of people in the field who are unaware of the capabilities of CBDCs. Our objective is for every financial institution on the planet to be capable of instantly settling any fiat currency with any other financial institution. That is a significant amount, but it requires interoperability and security. If you're going to construct a payment system that large, you're going to need a different security model than SWIFT, and blockchains almost never have security issues. What are your thoughts about it? Kindly inform us in the comment section. If you wish to continue learning about XRP, we've included 2 films on the end screen for your viewing pleasure. Subscribing and giving us a thumbs up is a must. We appreciate your time and interest. We'll catch up with you in the following video. Please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly, and by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. The information contained in this video does not represent investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice, and you should not rely on any of it. The information of this video is intended solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Conduct due diligence and talk with a financial professional prior to making any investment choice.